Imagine this. You pull up to a quiet lakeside at golden hour. You turn off the engine and open the door, and the warm interior glow of a luxury motorhome greets you like a private retreat. Everything around you feels calm, organized, and beautifully built. And the moment you step inside, you realize this isn't just a motor, it's a premium living space on wheels. That feeling is exactly what Hymer's wants you to experience with the B-Class Modern Comfort i6080. Their newest luxury model, built for 2026, a motorhome that blends Mercedes engineering with German craftsmanship and adds a layer of comfort and elegance you simply don't find anywhere else. Today, we're taking a full tour of the Hymer's Modern Comfort i680 inside, outside, features, layout, and everything that makes this one of the most desirable luxury motorhomes in Europe. So, let's step in, relax, and see what makes the 680 such a standout in Hymer's lineup. From the outside, the i680 immediately looks premium. The proportions are balanced, long, and elegant, not too bulky, not too short. Hymer's has shaped the front end to match its luxury identity. A sleek panoramic windscreen, integrated daytime running lights, and the signature Mercedes-Benz grille that gives it that executive tour look. That the side profile is all about clean lines. Hymer's uses Pool 2.0 insulation, a super rigid and well-insulated wall construction that keeps the interior warm in winter, cool in summer, and quiet on the road. You also get flush-fitting windows, a large garage, and centralized lock-in for easy access. At the rear, the modern LED light signature gives it a very upscale presence, almost like a high-end European SUV but stretched into a motorhome form. Everything here feels premium, solid, and designed to last. The i680 sits on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter base, which means refined driving, amazing stability, and advanced safety tech. The cockpit is exactly what you'd expect from Mercedes. Thick, comfortable captain's chairs, large, digital displays, easy-to-use controls, a quiet, vibration-free cabinet. Doesn't feel like a big motorhome, it feels like driving a modern SUV with a wider stance. Smooth steering, great visibility, and excellent road comfort. If you're planning long road trips through mountains, motorways, or even tight towns, the i680 feels surprisingly confident and premium. The lounge is designed to be the social heart of the motorhome. You get 2 swiveling captain's chairs, a large side bench with deep cushions, a high-quality adjustable dining table, soft ambient lighting above and below, cabinets, panoramic windows that bring in tons of natural light. The materials are top-notch, cushioned, smooth, and premium to the touch. Even the stitching is neat and elegant. Whether you're eating, working, relaxing, or entertaining, the lounge feels open and comfortable. This is where Hymer's interior philosophy really shows. Everything is functional, everything is beautiful, and nothing feels excessive. As soon as you step into the 680, the first thing you notice is the space. Hymer's creates this feeling using warm ambient lighting, high ceilings, and a layout that flows naturally from the front lounge to the bedroom. The color palette is soft and modern, light woods, matte surfaces, and premium fabrics that don't scream luxury, but whisper it. Everything is calm, soft, and extremely clean. It immediately feels like a boutique hotel room on wheels. Moving to the kitchen, you get a proper home-style cooking setup. Features include a large countertop with excellent lighting, a deep stainless steel sink, a 3-burner gas hob, soft closed drawers, a tall fridge freezer, combo premium storage with organizer. Hymer's understands that motorhome kitchens aren't just for show, they need to perform. And here, every drawer, every shelf, and every light has been placed with thought. There's plenty of room for cooking, preparing meals, and storing everything you need for weeks of travel. This is one of the highlights of the i680. Hymer's uses a separate shower and toilet room design, giving you the feel of a private en-suite bathroom. You get spacious standing shower with modern fittings, a bright, well-lit vanity, area, good ventilation, plenty of storage, high-quality materials that resist moisture. And where compared to many motorhomes, the bathroom here feels genuinely usable, not cramped, not compromised. It's the kind of space where you can comfortably get ready in the morning or unwind after a long day. At the back of the 680, you get a beautifully designed sleeping space. The bed is large, soft, and supported by Hymer's comfort system for proper rest. The lighting is warm and cozy, with reading lamps on both sides. There's storage above and below, wardrobe space for clothes, and room to move around. This is the kind of bedroom where you can actually stretch out, relax, and feel at home. The layout also provides privacy. The bedroom is far enough from the lounge that you can separate your living and sleeping zones. Hymer's is known for smart storage, and the i680 delivers you a massive rear garage, interior wardrobes, overhead cabinets, hidden compartments beneath seating, organized kitchen, storage, Utility. Access for easy maintenance. Every part of the motorhome uses space efficiently. Whether you're traveling with bulky gear, clothes for long trips, or groceries, everything has a dedicated place.
So, what makes the Modern Comfort i680 stand out? 1. Hymer's plus Mercedes partnership. The combination of Hymer's build quality and Mercedes' driving refinement is something few competitors can match. You're getting comfort and luxury on the inside, but also the reliability and smooth performance of a premium chassis. 2. PUAL 2.0 construction. A unique Hymer's technology that gives you better insulation, stronger walls, reduced noise, lighter overall weight. This is a major advantage over many traditional motorhomes. 3. Interior ambience. The soft lighting, materials, and colors create a premium, hotel-like feel. It's not flashy, but deeply comfortable. 4. Practical bathroom layout. Many motorhomes struggle here, but the 680 offers real comfort with a proper full-size shower and a separate toilet room. 5. Balanced layout. Some motorhomes feel too cramped or too stretched. The 680 hits that perfect sweet spot: open lounge, proper kitchen, comfortable bedroom, and good storage, all without feeling overwhelming. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite part of the Hymer's Modern Comfort i680? Is it the lounge, the bedroom, the bathroom, or the overall luxury vibe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I always enjoy reading your feedback. So, there you have it, the Hymer's B-Class Modern Comfort i680, a motorhome that combines beauty, comfort, and smart German engineering into one elegant package. Whether you're planning long European tours, weekend escapes, or full-time travel, the 680 gives you a warm, relaxing, and luxurious home wherever you park it. If you enjoyed this full review and want more motorhome tours, comparisons, and in-depth walkthroughs, make sure to like the video. Comment your favorite feature. Subscribe for more premium motorhome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.